Hey there. Ever wondered what 40 degrees Fahrenheit feels like in Celsius? Maybe you're planning a trip abroad or just curious about the weather. Either way, today we're breaking down the math step by step so you can convert temperatures like a pro. Let's dive in first. Let's recall the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's degree C equals degree F 32 times 5/9 simple, right? But let's unpack this. The 32-foot here accounts for the offset between the two scales, like how water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 0 degrees Celsius. The 5/9 adjusts the scale difference, since Fahrenheit degrees are smaller than Celsius. Now, let's apply this to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 1. Subtract 32 from 40. 40 to 32 equals 8. Step 2. Multiply that result by 5/9. 8 times 5/9 equals 49 is almost equal to 4. 44, so 40 degrees Fahrenheit is almost equal to 44 degrees Celsius. For simplicity, you could round this to 4 for degrees Celsius or even 4 degrees Celsius in everyday use. And here's a pro tip. Never skip subtracting 32 first. If you just multiply 40 by May 9th, you get 22 degrees Celsius, a warm 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Totally wrong. Always subtract, then multiply. Don't forget to sue.